everybody, welcome back to my channel AV Way. I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to discuss about vitamins. In this video we will discuss about vitamins definition, type of vitamins and the chemical name of vitamins and the source from where we get it, and also the deficiency diseases, and also about the function of vitamin. So take a deep breath and calm down, and let's get started today's lesson, which is all about the vitamins. Definition of vitamins. These are organic compounds which cannot be produced by the body and must be supplied in small amounts in diet to perform specific biological functions for the normal health, growth and the maintenance of the body. Here we use two specific terms. Avitaminosis. The condition of vitamin deficiency is known as avitaminosis. Hypervitaminosis. The condition of excess intake of vitamin is called as hypervitaminosis. Now move on to the classification of vitamins. Number 1, water soluble vitamins. Number 2, fat soluble vitamins. Fat soluble vitamins contain vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K, and water soluble vitamins contain vitamin C and all B vitamins. Water soluble vitamins. The vitamins which are soluble in water are called as water soluble vitamins. Fat soluble vitamins. The vitamins which are soluble in fat are called as fat soluble vitamins. Now we will discuss the chemical name, deficiency disease, source of vitamin and the functions of the vitamin. Vitamin A. The chemical name of vitamin A is retinol, bright eye vitamin. Deficiency disease. It causes xerophthalmia, that is hardening of cornea of eye or night blindness. Now the sources of vitamin A are cod liver oil, shark liver oil, carrot, kidney, butter and milk, etc. Now the functions of vitamin A. It helps in proper growth and the normal skeletal development of the body. It plays an important role in maintaining proper vision. It is also essential for healthy teeth structure. It helps in the maintenance of healthy, glowing soft skin. Now vitamin B1. The chemical name of vitamin B1 is thiamine. The deficiency disease. It causes very loss of appetite, retard growth and disease of nervous system. Sources of vitamin B1 are milk, rice, yeast, nuts, eggs, green vegetables, liver and kidney. Now the functions of vitamin B1. Vitamin B1 helps in carbohydrate metabolism. It helps in functioning of heart, nerves and muscles. It sharpens our appetite and is sometimes referred to as an appetite vitamin. Now the vitamin B2. Chemical name of vitamin B2 is riboflavin. The deficiency disease. It causes glossitis, that is dark red tongue and cracking of tongue and skin and the reddish eyes, etc. Now sources of vitamin B2 are green vegetables, meat and milk, etc. Now the functions. Riboflavin is essential for growth, turning carbohydrates into energy and producing red blood cells. Now vitamin B3. The chemical name of vitamin B3 is niacin. The deficiency disease. It causes whitening of hair, mental retardation. Now the sources of vitamin B3 are red meat, poultry, fish, tomato, sugarcane, and peanuts, etc. Now the functions. Niacin helps the body turn food into energy. It helps maintain healthy skin. Now vitamin B6. The chemical name of vitamin B6 is pyridoxine. The deficiency disease it causes anemia and skin disease. Now the sources of vitamin B6 are grains, banana, beans, nuts and meat, etc. Now the functions of vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 is important for normal brain and nerve function. Now vitamin B7 or H. The chemical name of vitamin B7 is biotin. The deficiency disease it causes paralysis, body pain, hair falling, etc. So now the sources of vitamin B7 are milk, eggs and meat, etc. Now the functions of vitamin B7. Vitamin B7 is used by the body to metabolize carbohydrates, fats and amino acids. So the next vitamin is vitamin B9. The chemical name of vitamin B9 is folic acid. The deficiency disease it causes anemia and dysentery. Sources of vitamin B9 are liver, pearls and eggs, etc. Now the functions of it. It helps the body to make RBC. It is also needed to make DNA. The next is vitamin B12. Chemical name of vitamin B12 is cyanocobalamin. The deficiency disease it causes inflammation of tongue and mouth, pernicious anemia, that is RBC deficiency in hemoglobin. Now the sources of vitamin B12 are meat, egg, liver of ox, sheep, pig, fish and curd, etc. The functions. It is important for metabolism of nervous tissue and for the formation of healthy blood and proper growth of the body. Now the next one is vitamin C. The chemical name of vitamin C is ascorbic. The deficiency disease it causes scurvy and swelling of gums. Sources of vitamin C are orange, tomato, chili and lemon, etc. Functions of vitamin C. It is essential for healthy bones, teeth, gums and blood vessels, etc. Next is vitamin D. The chemical name of vitamin D is argocalciferol. The deficiency disease it causes rickets and osteomalacia. So sources of vitamin D are egg yolk, oily fish, milk, soy milk and orange juice. Now the functions of vitamin D. It strengthens bones because it helps the body absorb bone building calcium. Next is vitamin E. The chemical name of vitamin E is tocopherol. The deficiency disease it causes less fertility. Now sources of vitamin E are vegetables oil, nuts, green leafy vegetables and whole grains. Now functions of vitamin E. Vitamin E is an antioxidant and helps in protect cell from damage. So the next is vitamin K. The chemical name of vitamin K is phylloquinone. The deficiency disease it causes non-clotting of blood. Sources of vitamin K are tomato, soybean oil, green vegetables, etc. Now functions of it. It helps in clotting of blood and prevents hemorrhage. So here is the last vitamin, vitamin Q10. The chemical name of vitamin Q10 is coenzyme and the deficiency disease it causes low order of immunity of body against many disease. Sources of vitamin Q10 are chloroplast of green plants and the mitochondria of animals. Now the functions of vitamin Q10. It is required for the proper function of many organs and chemical reactions in the body. Right, that's it for the today's lesson. I really hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something from it. Thanks for watching. I will see you soon for the other lesson. Bye bye and take care.
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose.